we had an alert this morning to stay alert. We had an alert to stay alert. We had an alert this morning asking us to take shelter and cover, but then we also had the same alert asking us that we could move around. So it's still on, and yeah, we're doing our best. But now I want to make breakfast because it's time to have some breakfast. It's now, what time is it? Maybe 9 something. So let me get into the program and make some breakfast. I'm gonna be making some toast. I haven't had toast in a long time. I'm gonna make egg and I'm gonna have an avocado. And later on when I'm chilling, I'm gonna make my signature, what is it called? Smoothie, because I'm so into smoothies nowadays. So let's get into it. Yeah, we finished together. What? The one with the marriage? Oh.
anyone messes with the scene before I get there, I'll eat them alive.
Cannibal.
Sandra attacked another child and nearly choked her. I'm sorry, is my child's well-being inconvenient for you? This is ridiculous.
Sorry about that. Look, I know Sandra has some issues. We all do. She's been here all year, but I'm sure with the right measures in place.
Why they're on the ship? They're just going to France. Ay, wala. This is easy though. Well, the kids know to have a good fine motor
I
skills
don't know,
because you need to flip it and then
I don't have fine motor skills.
see that one. You see that they're all in between. You just have to flip it and then you just have to let them go. You're just gonna go down by
You're
themselves.
not going to embarrass me like this.
Can you wanna try?
No, leave me alone, please.
Oh.
I'm not gonna do that. I don't know what you did. What
Just
did you
flip
do?
it.
You did that, right?
Hold them tight. Then you put this one here to flip it like that.
Sorry, don't play with my emotions like this. This is
You have to
dangerous.
flip.
Just leave me alone, okay? Just
Okay.
give
No,
us
you
the
put
card.
it. You deal now.
No, I'm not doing it.
I mean, you lay your cards.
You're gonna lay it for me.
1, 2, 3, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. First card open. Right, I'll put it again.
Where are the spades, Joy? Where are the flowers? Where's 6 flowers? Huh? Did I put 5 there? No.
Put the wrong cards, but it's okay. You put the wrong cards, but that's it. It's okay,
Did
just
I
put
put the
them.
wrong cards?
It's okay, just
5,
put it. Put
6,
everything now.
7, 8. 8, 9, 10.
Hey, don't.
Is that 9 or 6?
9. That's 9.
This is 9, right? No.
That's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at this one. Why did you put the queen? You have to just.
This is me celebrating getting my 50 chapter today. The kings can have.
I need to keep going.
Jay's next, right?
Jack. We call him Jack. Jack. What do you think is this card?
I don't know, maybe king?
What do you think is missing there? It's not king. All the kings are there.
You have to get this in my back. I don't know which one is this.
Let's open it. That's a queen.
How did you know it's a queen? How
Because
many
there's
kings
no
and
queen.
are there?
4. It's always 4.
Okay.
Everyone is 4. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I am winning, Joy.
You are.
This is amazing to watch. After that, it's the queens, right?
It's up to you. Yeah, anywhere.
Then let the kings have their kingdom. That was the best game we've that was so good to play. Are you the one who shuffled the cards?
Yeah.
Shuffle the cards. You have the